another man production. Yeah.
Whatever it is, it's big. It is massive. Is this a UFO on the back of this government truck? Let me know, you guys. There's no plates on the back of this truck. There's no identifiers. Very suspicious activity here in Wilmington, North Carolina. Okay, we're going through this light. Today is February the 17th, 2023. It's a Friday, and this is just being paraded through the city streets, undercover in broad daylight, but I guess they want us to believe that this is construction materials or something. Doesn't look like your average construction materials. They've got this thing covered up with a tarp.